Hello students, this is Mamta Mon and today we will solve some self-practice exercise questions of second chapter whole number of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started, and if you have not subscribed my channel then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about whole numbers, and topics are operation on whole number, properties of operation on whole number, properties of closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property of addition of whole number. Now we will solve first question. First question is fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. First bit is 529 plus dash equal to 398 plus 529. 529 plus, here right hand side 398 is also present, so we have to write down 398 here. 529 plus 398 equal to 398 plus 529, and this is the commutative property of addition of whole number. Second bit, 0 plus 815 equal to dash. We know when we add 0 with any whole number, then we get the number, then we get the same number, that is the number itself only. So 0 plus 815 equal to 815, and here 0 is the additive identity of whole number. Third bit, 10,000 plus dash equal to 10,000. When we know when we add 0 with any whole number, we get the same number. So here 10,000 plus 0 equal to 10,000, and 0 is the additive identity of whole number. Now we will solve fourth bit. Fourth bit is 12 plus 47 plus 88 equal to 100 plus dash. Here when we add 12 plus 88 we get the number 100. So 100 plus, here 47 is in left hand side and 47 is not here, so you have to write down 47 on right hand side. So the expression becomes 12 plus 47 plus 88 equal to 100 plus 47. This is the addition. This is the closure property of addition of whole number. Fifth bit, 39 plus 201 plus 18. 201 plus 18 is inside the bracket, equal to 39 plus 201. 39 plus 201 is inside the bracket plus dash. And here 18 is in left hand side and right hand side 18 is missing, so we have to write down 18 on right hand side. So 39 plus 201 plus 18, 201 plus 18 is inside the bracket, equal to 39 plus 201. 39 plus 201 is inside the bracket plus 18. And this is the associative property of addition of whole number. Now we will solve question number 2, and question number 2 is find the sums. We have to add two numbers and write down their sum. First bit is 217 plus 483, and second bit is 483 plus 217. Are they same? Which property of addition do they show? We have to write down the property of which property of that addition. First bit is 217 plus 483. When we add the two numbers 217 and 483, we get the number 700. And second bit is 483 plus 217. When we add the number 483 and 217, we get the number 700. In first bit also we get the number 700 and second bit also we get the number 700. Both are equal. Are they same? Yes, both are same. And this is the property of addition. This is the property of commutative property of addition of whole number. As you know, addition of whole numbers are commutative. This is the commutative property. Now we'll solve question number 3, and question number 3 is find each sums. First bit is 39,208 plus 392. 39,208 and 392 inside the bracket plus 726, and second bit is 39,208 plus 392 plus 726. 392 and 726 is inside the bracket. Are they equal, and which property of addition do they show? We have to write down the property of addition. First bit is 39,208 plus 392, that is inside the bracket, plus 726. When we add these two numbers 39,208 and 392, we get the number 39,600. 39,600 plus 726 equal to 40,326. Now we will solve question number second bit. Second bit is 39,208 plus 392 plus 726. 392 and 726 is inside the bracket. 39,208 plus, when we add these two numbers 392 plus 726, we get 1118. Now we add 39,208 plus 1118 equal to 40,326. We get the now in first bit also we get the number 40,326, and in second bit also we get the number 40,326. And this is the associative property of addition of whole number. Yes, both are equal. Are they equal? Yes, both are equal, and this is the associative property of addition of whole number. This is the associative property of addition of whole number, as addition of whole numbers are associative. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, a student wrote 5 plus 24 plus 25 plus 6 equal to 5 plus 25 plus 24 plus 6. Which property of addition did he use? First option is closure property, second is commutative property, third is associative property, and fourth is property of 0. Here 5 plus 24 plus 25 plus 6. 24 plus 5, 24 plus 25 is on left hand side, and 25 plus 24 is on right hand side. Both are exchange their values. So 24 plus 25 equal to 25 plus 24, and this is the commutative property of addition of whole number. 24 plus 25 equal to 25 plus 24, and this is the commutative property of addition of whole number. So option B is the correct. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is 18 plus 82 plus 8. 82 plus 8 is inside the bracket equal to 18 plus 82. 18 plus 82 is inside the bracket plus 8 is an example of which property? First option is closure property. Second is commutative property. Third is associative property. And fourth is property of 0. Here 18 plus 82 plus 8. 82 plus 8 is inside the bracket equal to 18 plus 82. 18 plus 82 is inside the bracket plus 8. And this is the associative property of addition of whole number. Now we will solve question number 6. High order thinking skill, that is the HOTS questions. And find, question number 6 is find a whole number p such that p plus p equal to p. We have to find a whole number. When we add that whole number with that same whole number, we get the number itself. We know 0, when we add 0 with 0, we get the 0 only. So 0 is the whole number. When we add 0 and 0, we get 0 only. So 0 is the whole number. When we add 0 with 0, we get 0. And 0 is known as the additive identity property. 0 is the additive identity of whole number. Now we will discuss about properties of subtraction of whole number. We will solve some questions 1 to 8 of exercise 2C of that is based on the properties of subtraction of whole number. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about whole numbers, and topics are operation of whole numbers, properties of operation on whole number, properties of subtraction of whole numbers, closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property of subtraction of whole number. Let's solve some questions based on the subtraction of whole number. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is for each addition sentence, write 2 subtraction sentences. First bit is 8 plus 17 equal to 25. 8 plus 17 equal to 25. This is the addition sentence and we have to write the subtraction sentence of this addition sentence. 8 plus 17 equal to 25. So subtraction sentences of this addition sentence 8 plus 17 equal to 25 are 25 minus 8 equal to 17 and 25 minus 17 equal to 8. These are the 2 subtraction sentences of this addition sentence 8 plus 17 equal to 25. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 75 plus 59 equal to 134. 75 plus 59 equal to 134. This is the addition sentence and we have to write down the subtraction sentences of this addition sentence. Subtraction sentence of this addition sentence 75 plus 59 equal to 134 are 134 is on right hand side and 59 and 75 is on left hand side. So subtraction sentence will be 134 minus 75 equal to 59 and 134 minus 59 equal to 75. And these are the 2 subtraction sentences of this addition sentence. Now we will solve question number 3rd bit. 3rd bit is 101 plus 278 equal to 379. 101 plus 278 equal to 379. This is the addition sentence. And we have to write the subtraction sentences of this addition sentence. So two subtraction sentences of this addition sentence, 101 plus 272 plus 379 are 379 minus 101 equal to 278 and 379 minus 278 equal to 101. These are the two subtraction sentences of this addition sentence. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is perform the following subtraction and check your result by corresponding addition. First bit is 13,407 minus 10,999. We have to subtract 10,999 from 13,407 and we will get 2,408. We get 2,408 as the result of this subtraction. And now we have to check the result using addition. 2,408 plus 10,999 equal to 13,407. And now we will solve question number second bit. Question number second bit is 1 lakh minus 95,673. We have to subtract 95,673 from 1 lakh. And we get the number 4,327. Now we will check this result using the addition sentence. So 4,327 plus 95,673 equal to 1 lakh. And this is the addition sentence of this subtraction. And now we will solve question number third bit. Third bit is 30,30,301 minus 6,76,767. We have to subtract 6,76,767 from 30,30,301 and we get the result 23,53,534. Now we will check this result using the addition sentence. So 23,53,534 plus 6,76,767, we get this number. We get 30,301. When we add to 23,53,534 plus this number 6,76,767, we get this number 30,30,301, and this is the addition sentence. Now we'll solve question number 4th bit. 4th bit is 8,93,000 minus 9,89,996. We have to subtract 9,89,996 from 8,93,000 and we get the result 79 crore 7,91 lakhs 3,004. We get the result 7,91 lakhs 3,004. And now we'll check this result using the addition. We add this number 7,91 lakhs 3,004 with add this number with 9,89,996. We get this number 8,93,000. So 8 crore 93,000 minus 9,89,996, we get 7 crore 91,000 3004. 91 lakhs 3004. 7 crore 91 lakhs 3004, and we'll check this result by 7 crore 91,304 plus this number 9 lakhs 89,996, and we get this number 8 crore 93,000. And now we'll solve word problem. Question number 3. Question number 3 is Sila brought a Hindi novel from the library which had 378 pages. She read 152 pages on the first 2 days. If she read 79 pages on the third day, how many pages would remain unread? It is given that total number of pages in Hindi novel is 378, and Sheila read number of pages Sheila read on first 2 days is 152, and number of pages Sheila read on the third day is 79. So total number of pages Sheila read in 3 days is 152 plus 79 equal to 231. So total number of pages Sheila read on the first 3 days is 231. And now we have to find the number of pages Sheila has to read. Number of pages remain unread. That is, we have to find out. So total number of pages remain unread is total number of pages in Hindi novel book minus total number of pages Sheila read on the first 3 days equal to total number of pages in Hindi novel is 378 minus, and total number of pages Sheila read on first 3 days is 231 equal to 378 minus 231 equal to 147. So number of pages would remain unread is 147. Now we will solve multiple choice question. Number 4. Find the difference between the largest number of 5 digits and the smallest number of 6 digits. We know the largest number of 5 digits is 99,999. This is the largest number of 5 digits. And smallest number of 6 digits is 100,000. That is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest number of 6 digits. And we have to find the difference between the largest number of 5 digits and the smallest number of 6 digits. So difference between them is 1 lakh minus 99,999. The smallest number of 6 digit minus largest number of 5 digit equal to 1 lakh minus 99,999 equal to 1. So option C is the correct. And now we will solve question number 5, multiple choice question. Question number 5. The population of a village is 1500. If 489 are men and 472 are women, then find the number of children. The total number of population of a village is 1500. The total number of population of a village is 1500, that is given, and number of men in the village is 489, and number of women in the village is 472. So total number of men and women are 489 plus 472, that is 961. So we get total number of men and women in the village is 961. And now we have to find the number of children. Number of children is total number of population minus total number of men and women. Total population is 1500, that is given, minus total number of men and women. Total number of men and women we have calculated and we get 961. 1500 minus 961 equal to 539. And option D is the correct answer. So we get number of children is 539. Option D is the correct answer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.